Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell about how to find index of an item in a list in Python. Okay, first go to the Python terminal. In Python, to find the index of an item in list, it is very simple. For finding the index, there is an inbuilt function index. Okay, first I am going to create a simple list L equals 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is our list. Now I am going to find the index of the item 3 in our list L using the function inbuilt function index. Okay, equals the list L dot index of the item we want to search. I am going to type 3. Here the answer is 2. The index of 3 in our list L is 2. That is C. This is 0 and this is the first position. This is the second position. You know, the position is start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. etc. And the 3 is at index 2. Okay, so using the function index, we can easily find the index of the item in a given list in Python. If you like my video, please subscribe for more Python tutorials. Thank you.